protect me while me and protect my life. Nowadays friend them out and already. Me buy myself a 45. Me prefer stay hungry and full up it belly. For the hard when man on no credit, man I call upon you for help me with the enemy card.
Shiny. Why I'm up so early, I have no idea. But Jermaine and I came home late last night and the shop was closed, which meant that there was no bottled water for me to wash my face. And it had gotten so cool. So I went to bed. Shower. Hey doggies. The dogs are down to greet me. My brother is home. Look at all these damn cars in the yard, you guys. And everybody's not even here yet. My dad and my sisters, my uncle, aunts. A bunch of people are coming today. Bunch of people are coming today. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, mongrel. Hey, mongrel. You see how big the mongrel's gotten, you guys? He's so big. He's so big. Hey, bull. Hey, bull. Hey, mongrel. Hey, bull. Hey, mongrel. Alright. That's my baby. 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 Whose baby is it? Whose baby is it? Whose baby is it? It's my baby. It's my baby. My baby. My baby. Yeah, them love it so much. Anyway, guys, there's a stray dog in the yard. Go get him. Guys. There's a stray dog in the yard. Go get him. Yeah. Oh my god, you see how oily my face gets, you guys? It's so oily. So oily. Look, my grandma had them cut the apple tree because it was bearing so many apples, but because it was so many, like they were small. So she had them chop one side of it, so when it bears again, they'll come out big like they normally do. Apparently that's a thing. Or there's some truth to that. What are you looking at? Nothing over there. Look at the garden, how like the flowers have like flourished and gotten full. So cool. Look at the pit bull, you guys. Hey, Big Z. Hey, Big Z. Don't play with him. They just saw a dog in the yard. That's what they went after. I don't know how he got in here, because I thought the yard was pretty secure with the fencing and the gating and stuff. Hi. Hi. Why you stop talking? Why you stop talking?
Stop talking.
You stopped talking. You were talking before, and I turned the camera on, and you stopped talking. So anyway, Al says when I'm not here, he wakes up late. He can't get up early, but when I'm here, he gets up really early. Can anybody relate to that? Why is that, Al? Why is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? No. I can relate. Anyway, you guys, I'm here. Looking for something to put on. Oh, my lashes are still intact. Yes, I can use these again. Yeah, looking for something to put on. I bought this like white tights outfit. I'm feeling a little fat, and the top is kind of like a crop top, so I don't know if I can do it. Don't know. I'm waiting for somebody to come down and open the shop so I can get some water for my oily face. Look how oily that is. Look at the oil, you guys. Ugh. It's 5-something. Jeremy just went to Bush. I wasn't up for it this morning. Sorry, guys. For those of you guys that wanted to see that again. Sorry. Besides, I think he went to the same Bush. If I'm going to go to Bush, I want to go to a different Bush so you guys can see something different. Or I want us to be able to do something different. And I want us not to be strapped for time. And this morning, because we have the appointment at 10 o'clock, like, I think we'd be strapped and we wouldn't be able to do as much as we'd like to. So No bush for you guys today. No bush for you guys today. He's just gonna run over there, move the cows, give them some water, and come right back. Yes, baby? It's a hat. It's a visor hat. It's too big. Your head's too small. You like it? Yeah? I think I'm gonna wear it today. I'm not going to bush. Your daddy went to bush already. Yeah. No, Sunday we have a funeral, remember? Yeah.
So then just got bush today before Sunday.
Right. No, don't get your fingerprints on it. Don't touch her hair. It's gonna get dirty. He didn't come yesterday because yesterday was Friday the 13th and he's very superstitious and he didn't want to fly on Friday the 13th. Do you know what Friday the 13th is?
Yeah?
Do you know what Friday the 13th is? Yeah, that's why Uncle Dante didn't come yesterday, but he'll come today. We'll see him today.
Yes.
Okay?
I like a car.
You like my car? Thank you, baby. Guys, I'm here for 4 days and I brought these shoes and I feel like I didn't bring enough at all. Like these, I probably won't wear. I'm definitely gonna leave them for somebody, I don't know who, but I bought a pair for Bianca and I'm like, oh, it'd be cute if we both wore them together. Am I gonna wear it? I don't know.
That's girl shoes?
Huh?
That's girl shoes?
School shoes?
Girl shoes.
Dude, I think they're unisex. Boys can wear them too.
Boys,
Yeah.
you should not want them big. They're for me till I grow up big.
No, they're gonna be outdated by the time your feet are big enough to wear those. On a Panasonic. It's gearing up to be another scorcher, you guys. It's hot again. But look at my handsome brother. Ooh. Hey, what are you doing? You're not on my vlog. My vlogs, the vlogs, the vlogs, the vlogs, the vlogs. Hey. Hi, Marlene.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Check this. I want to start.
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, everyone's here. Dad's coming in a couple hours. Dad, Marlon's gonna go get Dad and my sisters. And I'm getting ready to go on the road to go do some stuff. Why you guys have her chained up in the daytime?
Then jump the fence and go over.
Oh, she does? Oh. You know, she rushed me this morning. I was like standing like a statue, like, oh shit. Like, because I was friendly with her yesterday, but I guess this morning I came out, I didn't have my wig on, so like she wasn't sure. So she was by your door. She's like, "Arr!" I'm like, Bixie, it's me. It's me. And then she's like slowly coming up, and then she started wagging her tail. I'm like, all right, fine. But these dogs, I don't play with these dogs.
I see you were Star last week Sunday, you know?
Really?
Mm-hmm. I didn't have Star pinned at the gate for a while.
So she didn't know it was Sarah?
No, probably Tara. Tara did just fresh up and spray up cologne.
Oh, God.
So she probably never realized that it was him.
Jesus. Nah, man. I don't play with these dogs. I was like, I'm not moving because you're not about to grab my neck and lock onto my neck and kill me.
I just want to check.
Now, this is clean. That's a nice covering. Yeah.
See, like the foot.
Am I giving your foot in bite it too?
And yesterday I
Oh,
gave
they
him
don't have
ice
major
cream.
medicine for the dogs because aren't they all going to get it now?
Mange?
That dog has mange.
No, mange.
What is it?
It's like a thing there.
Wow.
When them reach up into the age where them start mate,
Yeah.
you notice that most bulldogs that
And then it go away?
they go away after.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because I thought it was mange. You sure?
So like him now, the flea powder. The flea powder, you sprinkle it on him. And you keep him dry. Well, him you can't catch him, you know. Him
Wild. Very wild. I don't know how he's so wild. Okay. Is it dead? Oh yeah? You don't drive it a lot? Oh, okay.
Just once.
But you should have somebody start it up once in a while.
Them busy themselves.
Yeah.
Sometimes I know you get the chance.
So what you have to do now? Jump in? Right. I need to wipe the writing off of that windscreen. Yeah.
That's the only one on it?
Huh? The writing? Yeah. Out here with the kitties, you guys. I've got some errands to do today, but I figured I would take them along. That way we can do something after. That way nobody's mad at me this trip for not doing anything. Because literally tonight is the setup or night or whatever they call it. And then tomorrow's the funeral. And then I'm gone on Monday. So don't have time.
That easy you're saying.
That way I'm a sense to that guy. But don't make stuff easy to stuff. I'm a grown woman, Jermaine. I chew though. You see how this smile coming? Maybe you want to see me a girl in the car? Take of myself. Take of myself, Baba. Marlon says it's not me.
Just think actually it might reach up to the stage to start mate.
No, this is a dog?
Yeah, man. This will get better, man.
Yeah?
This thing there, powder him. Show the tips the flea powder on him. Flea powder. And keep him dry.
Yeah?
Like
Looks like men's, man.
No, like 2 weeks after it's gone, man.
Really?
Yeah, man. When Pepper did the young and so he did that to Pepper and Bull. When Bull did young and so he did that to
Really? Okay. Come here, so we need to go buy some men's medicine because I don't want the other dogs to get it.
Yeah,
The little dog in it, where you see coming out in my mange.
the little mongrel one?
The little one.
Well,
That's what I feel like
When if I hit him a mange, then it's a different thing.
Really?
Some fees and
Him a female.
Yes,
Yeah, I
this I wanna this a catch you off of that the one then.
You look like
Yeah, because you can't see me here.
a fall out, well a mange then.
Yeah. Come on, I'm men's, man.
See my catch it.
So they have medicine for that, don't they? Where you get it?
Yeah, man.
So let's go get it. Let's get it. Cause once one of them catch it, they will let them go catch
All
it.
of them, okay.
Yeah.
And it's the dog can't come in the yard, man. But all you run him out, he not left.
So you have to give him some too.
Jesus Christ. Road settings, you guys.
Okay, we know I know you're going to be easy, not you?
Yeah. With the kitties. No, brother, left you on, brother. Do what? Do what? So, road settings with the kitties. I don't want Al to be vexed with me this time. So I said, I don't know. The last time we did, bad another video. All the people in my customer,
Serious?
yeah, the people I'm saying, no, you could have carried him out, you could have carried him out. I said, guys, I bring him out all the time. I didn't have time. So I figured I would just take them along for the errands and then we'll find something to do after the fact. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. Say hi, Michaela.
Hi.
Say hi, B.
Hi.
Say hi, look. Yeah. Is it cold? Is it cold? No ice? Are they cold though? Are they cold? Okay. How much is it? Alright, go get it.
Let's go.
I always happen to go party beats.
Guys, we had no plans of taking them to the beach. But I'm like, you know, we got them. So Jermaine, being all efficient and stuff, went and bought them all shorts. A marina, because nobody had bathing suits.
Yeah, because you know, I am the man, you know, so I have to do what I have to do.
How much you pay for the shorts, Jermaine?
The shots are
Yeah.
400.
Yeah?
I know.
It's not bad at all.
You have to taste when you're buying them.
oh, that's tasteful?
Our style.
I know. I've been here before, yes.
Me too, second time.
Where is it going out?
What's it?
I remember I'm supposed to put it for internet.
You mean that's your way?
That's
Oh, Tita. Wi-Fi? Apparently they get an hour on the obstacle course for free. So we're going to take advantage of that. Actually, just people just wanted to get in here. Okay. Hello, you guys, from beautiful Puerto Rico Beach with that guy. Hey, that guy.
Rastafari, you know? Because you're chilling, you know?
Looking out.
Looking out. Enjoying the beautiful sunshine.
Hey, watching the kitties. They're the kids down there enjoying the ocean. Yeah. This side. Ooh, I met a girl this morning.
Alright, you work it. Eh? Come on, make your video here, baby. No. I'm not being out there. No guy there. You want to come with me?
These two.
You going? Sign ready? Come this side. Ready? Come look.
Here we go on. Huh? Why? You made them man clothes, but I'm going to that blue skirt. That's like going snorkeling in the middle of the ocean. Me and Tasha. Remember that? We're the van of board. Remember?
Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Nothing. Don't play with it. Just don't play with it. It's not a toy. Be careful, guys. I don't stay right there. I don't like it. It needs to be with you guys. Would you guys relax? Stay right there. Don't move.
Hello. Nah, hello. Nah, I see myself. We do like this. Take a little time. Go out. Relax. She a come take time with her.
Is that obstacle course? So that's
You're big dumplings. You're big.
Adrian, go ahead. She can't do it with you.
Big humpy up, big jump before I said it.
Yeah, man. Bianca has to come out early, you guys. She made I don't know.
You jump, we don't know if you jump.
Yeah, she made a bad jump out there. So now she's convinced that her foot is broken. Huh? Yeah. Your foot broke, Bianca? Kiss you.
Now look at now. DJ Bolt in the building. Not even one, you know,
Just protecting myself, so if